Hi guys. So for our static website hosting, the first thing we need is the domain name. And you can purchase domain from any third-party registrar like Namecheap or GoDaddy. I am at Namecheap currently, and you can purchase a domain from Namecheap pretty cheaply. Like if I show you here, any a .com domain you can buy from Namecheap in less than $6. You don't have to purchase it from here because I already purchased my domain from Namecheap. That's why I'm using Namecheap portal. But you can purchase your domain from any other registrar. The one thing very important is that you should have access to that portal to manage our domain and settings like DNS service for the domain. So I hope you already have a domain. If you don't have a domain, you can purchase from Namecheap or from wherever you want to purchase. Let me go to my dashboard to show you that. So you can see that I already have like 4 domains which I purchased from Namecheap in past, and Cloud with Harry is the domain that we are going to use for this particular exercise. And let me go to manage a domain. So I will click, I can manage this domain, I can manage the DNS service, and I can also have access to other DNS specific settings which I can do. So let me show you that. So I am in Cloud with Harry domain in my Namecheap account. The main important thing which I want to focus on is the name servers. So this is the setting that we will need to change later on when we will complete our step 2. So you can see currently that it is using Namecheap basic DNS. It means that this domain, the Cloud with Harry domain, is currently using the hosted zones which is provided by the Namecheap, which is the basic DNS. It does not provide you the complete DNS service. The domain registrar does not provide that. They just provide the basic DNS service where they create the parking page for your domain. So if I go and try to open Cloud with Harry, you can see that when I am opening Cloud with Harry, it is showing me this parking page for this domain, and this is provided by Namecheap. So this is what I mean by basic DNS service. So when we will go to our next step, we will create the DNS service for our domain, and for that we will use Route 53. So we are not going to use domain registrars DNS, but we will migrate this thing to AWS using Route 53. Okay, so this is the important setting that I wanted to show you guys. If you want to manage your DNS, like you can go to advanced DNS here, and here you can see that you have DNS records added in this area. We are not going to use this. As soon as we will switch the name server from basic DNS to custom DNS, this whole thing will go away. These records and DNS records which are added, which I just showed you, will be removed. So I'll show you that later on when we will update the custom DNS name servers here. So that's it. I mean, we don't really have to go into more detail here. This is what I wanted to show you. Most importantly, we need a domain, and you should have access to the domain registrar portal where you can manage your domain and update name servers. So let's move on to AWS management console now, and there we will create the public hosted zone using Route 53.